Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make prawn mee soup updated. Start by roasting prawn shells until fragrant and then simmer them with pork bones for a clear, rich stock. Add aromatics like ginger and shallot early, then strain carefully for clarity. Adjust seasoning with fish sauce and a touch of sugar. Finish with blanched noodles, sliced prawns, pork slices, and fried shallots for texture and aroma. Begin by toasting the prawn shells in a dry pan until they smell nutty, which unlocks deeper flavors. Transfer shells and pork bones to cold water and bring to a gentle simmer, not a boil, and cook low for 2 to 3 hours to extract maximum flavor. Skim foam and impurities in the first hour, then strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth for a clean, aromatic broth that highlights the prawns. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation. The book shown here, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with cooking confidence. Both give you freedom. Check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious, then now let's get back to the video. Prepare bowls by placing blanched noodles and a few slices of cooked pork or fish cake in each. Ladle the hot prawn broth over the noodles to warm everything through, then top with just cooked prawns so they stay tender. Finish with crunchy fried shallots, fresh cilantro, sliced red chilies, and a drizzle of aromatic oil for shine. Serve immediately with lime wedges and sambal on the side for those who want heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.